Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need the VM tools and enough video memory before proceeding. Start the VM and log in. This allows the desktop to accept resolution changes. Once done, enable 3D acceleration and set video memory to at least 64 MB in the VM settings so the guest editions can apply custom resolutions. Make sure the VM is powered off before changing those settings, otherwise, changes won't persist. These steps prepare Ubuntu to expand to full screen cleanly and avoid driver conflicts. Now install the guest tools so the host and guest can negotiate screen size. Insert the guest editions or VMware Tools ISO, mount it, then open a terminal and run the installer with sudo. This compiles and installs the necessary kernel modules. During installation, watch for package or kernel headers prompts, install Linux headers if requested, then rerun the installer. Once the installer finishes, reboot the VM so modules load, and the display driver can accept dynamic resolution changes. After reboot, switch to full screen via the VM menu or press the host key +F. The guest should resize automatically. If the desktop stays centered or wrong aspect ratio, enable auto resize guest display or pick a matching resolution in settings right arrow displays. If resizing fails, reboot again, reinstall guest tools, or install matching Linux headers and rebuild modules. This often resolves driver mismatches. As a final tip, check that 3D acceleration remained enabled. Toggling it and reinstalling the tools usually fixes persistent display problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.